Hello friends, welcome back to Online Income Side Hustle. In today's video, I'll be showing you how we continue on how to upload and customize a free blogger template that you can use to apply for Google AdSense. For those who are new here, you're welcome. If you haven't subscribed, click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss my next video. That being said, let's dive into the video. So the first thing you need to do when you are using desktop like this, you come to your browser, and after logging your email, you come to Google Applications and scroll down to Blogger Apps. You select that. So you allow that to load. Now, for those who posted some comments recently about this particular blog, the blog has not yet monetized. This particular blog. Today, I will log you to my email and show you what Google said about the blog. As you can see, when I click on this shopping, you see that I only have two particular content on this section, and travel is two. So I only have two contents, few contents on this blog. And let's go to my email and so you can see what Google said after applying for monetization for this blog. So it can help you to prepare yourself to getting monetized. As you can see, Google AdSense, and look at the URL onlinecomsidehustle.blogspot.com. So let's see the response. The team has reviewed it, but unfortunately your site isn't ready to show ads at this time. There are some issues which need fixing before your site is ready to show ads. So what that means is that they are referring me to go to my site to check the information that I need to improve on, that I need to fix. So for those who are applying for Google AdSense, when you have issue after submitting your, so you get a response like this. It is normal. Now let's go to the blog so I can show you everything about the AdSense we're talking about. So as you can see on the screen, let's see what we get here. So as you can see, we found some policy violations, low value content. And like I said earlier, that I only have few contents on this blog. Now, in a couple of weeks now, I will try and push more content on this blog and reapply. And I'm very certain that guys, I will give you good news because they will definitely approve it. So the only issue on the blog is low value content. So I need to publish more content on the blog. And if you ask the number of content you need to publish is probably 20 and above, 20 unique content and above. And your site must be live online. People must be engaging your content, your blog online. So as you can see, this is the only requirement I need to fix now so I can submit the site for review. Low value content, that is the content on this blog, on this particular blog are few and not much, so I need to publish. So I think I've answered your question. Particular guy that asked for why my site is not monetized. I got that today. So now let's proceed to our video. You know, we we are using a new blog from start. which is solo travel and vacation. That's what we'll be using in the couple of videos we have published recently. Now we want to continue the settings, although we are still on the layout. So let's go to layout to complete the editing. Before we do that, let's simply view the blog so we can see what's next. As you can see on the screen, we are done with the header menu, the top menu, and also the main menu. This is a logo, but this logo is not really professional. I'll be using a different image here, a different logo. But I'll be doing that privately because I've shown you how to design your logo on Canva. So as you can see, this logo is having background, which is black, and I need to remove it to get rid of the background. So when you see this on mobile, let's say we want to preview this on mobile. I think, okay, I can't find that now. Now, the only thing we need to remove is the blog logo here. We don't want it in our blog. We need the search this blog section. We need the popular post, and our main post will be here. About you can leave this. Now the only section that remains is the footer section, this section from this side to this side. That's what you need to do to set yourself to start publishing on your blog. This is a travel blog. Now to get this started, you come to, let's look at this. We have blogger section here. We don't want this, so you need to hide it. We have search. I think contribution. We need to hide this. We need to remove this. We don't need that. So when you refresh the blog, you see that this particular one will not be there. As you can see, we have removed the blogger contribution. Now let's go straight to our footer section. So we have the label here, the footer menu. We're talking about this section. That's the footer menu. But this section is the label that we need to work on. So let's click on this to see if only that's all we'll get. Okay, we'll come down to that later. So let's go to the label to see if we can hide any show number of posts per label. Well, let's leave this for now. Most popular post, this section. Okay, tag. Okay, so you don't need to do anything on this, but you can simply get rid of the tags. We don't need tags to show. Now let's fix the footer menu widget. To get our link, you come to the top navigation because we are working with about us and contact us. So we want to leave that here. So all we need to do is to get rid, it's to come and copy. Let's copy the about us link here. Sorry, the network is having you at the moment. So You come straight to About Us, Footer Widgets, and click on the pen section. You get rid of these and paste. That's for your own. So let's come to the Contact Us, Contact Us widget. You get the link, Control C or copy, and you come to layout there, click on pen, align this, delete, and Control V. So you click on save, and if you want to add more menu to this section, you can click on add a new item, but we want to limit it here. Now the home, let's come to home so we can get our link, copy. So you come to this pen icon and you click on Control V. So that's the name of our blog. You click on save and you click on save changes. So widget updating. Now when you refresh this blog, if the network is good, you see that everything will be working fine. Let's try and refresh if we get this right. I think the network is really bad at the moment. Okay, so as you can see, and you click on About Us. When you click on About Us, as you can see, okay, it's not really working at the moment because of the network. So that's how to fix that. Now we want to fix this section to customize to the credit, the footer credit. So this, you come to theme. So when you come to theme, you come to this drop down section and you click on HTML. So you allow this to load and you can come straight to the bottom. Let's say we want to come to the bottom to see the footer. So as you can see, the footer is below the last section. So just throw a bit or you press Control F. So you can type the footer section here. So to take you directly to where you can get it. Now to edit, so as you can see, created by, these are only things you can change here. Created by Blogspot team. So you can leave that. Created by Blogspot team. So instead of putting this here, you can, because it has an ID already, so we will just leave this like this and type the name of our blog. So the name of our blog is, or we can leave, let's leave this, distributed by, which is this, distributed by Goyadi. Yeah, let's put our URL here. So you copy your URL, Control C, come here, and you highlight this. I click on paste. So as you can see, so solo travels and vacation vacations. So we can leave it here and type solo travels and vacation. So we can just limit it like this and click on this section, this box section, and click on save. So with this, you have um, edit your footer section to come with your name. So I think the network is still affecting this. So we have the footer section to show this. Look at the contact. The contact us is showing everything about our blog, but this has not taken effect. Now let's go back to it and let's see if we can. Okay, I think it's not really working. Now let's get rid of this. ID my content. So you come to ID my content. You click on save. Let's see if the changes will take place. Okay, update successful. So let's click on refresh if this will load. So as you can see, we have created by Blogspot team, distributed by Solo Travels and Vacation. As you can see, guys, this is how to customize your free blogger using a free blogger template to start um, sending content on your blog. So the next thing you can do is to customize the social handle that you can see here. But if you don't have, you can hide it. So you simply come to your backend and come to layout. So in layout, you select the social top. So you can hide it. When I hide it and click on save, so I don't see it here anymore. So if I refresh this particular blog, so let's go back. Let's refresh it. So I think the network is not good. So when you refresh your blog, you see that that section will be gone. So guys, this is how you can edit customize, upload your free blogger template that you can use to start posting contents on your blog using blogger platform. So guys, if you have seen value so far, I want you to like the video, share with your friends, and if you haven't subscribed, click on the subscribe button, turn on notification bell so you don't miss anytime I drop valuable videos like this. Thank you guys for watching the video to the end. See you in the next video. In the next video, we'll be talking about how you can complete your settings because we still have more things to do. As you can see, we have settings to attend to here, and that's very important. And how to start posting content on this blog so you can, and the things you need to do so you can position yourself for monetization. See you in the next video.